This is the Philips Sonicare HealthyWhite. I've been testing it for a few weeks and I'm here to give you my opinions on it. So the HealthyWhite is one of a range of electric toothbrushes available from Philips Sonicare, and this is a medium to higher tier electric toothbrush. There's a full written review that accompanies this video available at our website. Just click the link in the description below. So I'm going to run you through some of the key features of this brush and what I do and don't like about it. So the first thing to note is that there are different versions of this HealthyWhite. The differences are the colours and the brush heads that come provided in the box. You can find more details about those in the written review, so click that link in the description. In terms of the physical design of the brush, it's really smart, it's well built, it feels good in the hand, not too heavy, not too light, it's solid. The build quality looks really good and feels good as well, which is really nice to see. On the base of the brush, we've got a recess for the charging of the battery that's built into here. And whilst you can't very easily see it, there are like these grips woven into the back panel of the toothbrush, which not as grippy as some, but do provide a little bit of texture for the fingertips to grip onto. As you can see on the front here, we've got a single power button. We've then got what looks like a volume control, and that's to control the intensity of the cleaning modes. And we've got two cleaning modes, clean and white. More on both of those in a moment. We've then got a battery status icon here for the built-in battery, and at the top we've got the removable and interchangeable brush head. So let's start with the brush head then here. This is the Diamond Clean one on this example, but there are different heads available. There's a range of heads available from Sonicare that you can use with this brush handle. You should replace them every 3 months, that's the recommendation. The motor inside of here works up to 31,000 movements per minute through the brush head. So when you turn the brush on, if you've got it at the full intensity, you'll get the full 31,000 movements per minute. You use this volume control to change the intensity, and you've got the 3 LEDs, so you've got low, medium, high, and you can change it to regulate the intensity of the clean as you kind of please and what suits you. So if you're feeling a bit sensitive in the teeth or gums, turn it down just by pressing this control. You can control the intensity through the control button prior to turning the brush on. When you do press the brush on, you then can press it again to cycle through the cleaning modes, either clean or white. Clean is the default one, white is the one if you want that extra sort of power for whitening up the teeth. When you activate the brush and turn it on, you will also activate the timer that's built in, a 2-minute timer, and the brush will automatically turn off at the end of those 2 minutes. You also have what's called a pacer built in, so at 30-second intervals you'll hear a pause in the brush head, and that will indicate to change the quadrant of the mouth you're focusing your clean on. The battery built into here is a lithium-ion battery. It gives you 3 weeks of usage time, which is really solid. You do get the charging stand provided in the box, which you sit that on. That connects to your normal mains power supply. It works on 110 to 240 volts, so you just need an adapter if you are traveling internationally with it. What's also good to know regarding the charge, you do get some feedback via different coloured status icons through the battery indicator here, which is nice to see. There is also a travel case included in the box. Now, being that this is one of the higher end brushes from Philips Sonicare, it is more expensive. The recommended retail price is around about $120. Typically, you can purchase this for $100. If you're lucky, you can get it for as little as $70. We like to price these brushes over a 3-year period here at Electric Teeth, and when you factor in the cost of replacement brush heads over 3 years, this will work out about 18 cents per day, which is a little on the higher side than we would really like. You may be able to get a little bit more value from it if you pick it up on a special deal. It would be nice to get an extra brush head included in the box rather than just one, but overall it's a solid performing electric toothbrush. I don't have much bad to say about it, just the price is perhaps for some a little bit too expensive. For more information, check out that written review, click the link in the description for that. But until next time, thanks for watching.